What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another video from FtC&x. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do a hard reset on your Apple AirPods Max. Before we get deep into the video, make sure to subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Let's get into it. The first step to resetting the AirPods Max is to make sure the iOS device you're trying to use it with is next to it. And then what you're going to do is hold down the noise cancellation button right here and the digital crown at the same time for about 10 to 15 seconds. And once you do, the message is going to come up as a brand new AirPods Max that has to be set up. And there you go. Once that message pops up, you can let your fingers go from the noise cancellation button and the digital crown. And then it's going to ask you to pretty much go to the prompts again and set the AirPods Max as a brand new headphone. One reason I had to reset my AirPods Max is because the battery life on my iPhone for the AirPods Max was showing that it was like at 5% battery life, but it was actually at 100% battery life, and it was not showing the 100% battery life. Once I did reset it, it was showing the accurate battery status, and it solved my issue. So if this video was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, leave them down below. Hope you have a great day. Take care.